Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on Localhost if you want to learn how to make website without spending for hosting and domain name first. In the search bar, search for WP Localhost and here this is local by flywheel. Click on this link and start download. Choose your platform, your first name, last name, choose the organization type and your email address. Then click on Get It Now and your download will be started. Now that download is complete, let's start local setup. Choose installation options. Choose your installation location. Once the setup is completed, click on the Finish button. And here we are. Click on Create a New Site button and click on Create a New Site. Give name for your site. I'm giving it local WordPress. It won't affect any of your website. It is just for the reference within the local itself. Click WordPress username and password and enter WordPress email. You can enter the email you want to and click on continue. It will start your website setup. Once the setup is completed, click on WP admin. Once you click on that, it will open up your WordPress login page. Enter your username and password. This is how your WordPress dashboard looks like. From here, you can change the themes, add plugins, and make your website beautiful. Let's go and change the theme. Right now, the active theme is 2024. I'm going to activate the Astra theme. If you are not able to see the Astra theme here on the screen, you can go ahead and click on Add New Theme and search for the Astra. From here, I will activate this theme. Now the theme Astra is activated. In case you are wondering what does the theme do in the WordPress, it actually controls the look and feel of your website, such as the colors, fonts, layout, headers, and navigational menus. To start with your website building, you can use pre-designed, beautiful, and fully functional WordPress template kits to make a great website of your choice. For that, you need to install a plugin. Click on Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. I'm going to search for starter templates. Install this starter templates now. Activate it. Here in the dashboard menu, you can see the plugins. Click on the installed plugins. Here we can see starter templates. Let's click on the get started and build a website. Click on classic starter templates, build with templates. From here, I'm going to choose a page builder. The most popular one is Elementor. I'm going to click on it. If you're wondering what the page builder is, it is a visual tool to build a beautiful website without having to use any coding. This is the library of starter templates. As you can see, you can choose from so many options. There is outdoor adventure, electronic store, politician, planet Earth store. You can pick from any of these and build your website. I'm going to choose one from here, maybe this planet Earth. This is a free template kit. You can upload your site logo, change the font of your website, change the color palette according to your brand name, and click on continue. Continue. Here, click on submit and build my website. Here we go. Your website is ready. Click on view your website. This gives you a starting point to design and build your website. This is a very simple and basic business website. You can see 4 pages: home, about, services, and contact. You can change images on these pages and add your content to further customize your website before going live. If you have benefited from this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, where I will teach you how to customize this website with more pages, images, and content. Thank you for watching this video.